Okay guys, here's an update. Car's only painted rear quarter, top, not the door because the door's been PPF'd. So its first buff is done. Or stage 1 buff, whatever he said. Look at that. We're so close. We're so close. I'm going to put stripes on it, a red, white, and blue stripe. Once we figure it out. Look at my baby. I miss this car so much. Well, the Elite Audio and Customs, South Decatur, talked to Jay. I mean, you can't tell this car was wrecked. Literally, everything lines up perfectly. The trunk, I mean, it lines up perfectly on both sides. I'm happy. God, I fucking miss this car. But I tell you what, my Trackhawk is badass because it's got all-wheel drive. This car should have all-wheel drive. Well, I'm gonna tell you something, guys. I'm gonna tell you something. I heard a pretty cool sounding car today. I'm like, damn, that motor sounds cool in the car. And I'm like, but it wasn't like a motor V8 Hemi sound I heard before, but it did sound good. I looked because it was going the other direction. Guess what it was? It was a new charger, an electric charger. I'm not saying I like it, but I tell you what, the motor sounded badass. It was just a different sounding motor I never heard before. That sounded good, like really cool sounding. I'm like, you know, Mustangs have that loud Flowmaster type sound, and you know what these cars sound like, but it sounded actually cool. Not saying I like it, but it did sound cool. Wait till you guys hear it. Okay, there's an update on my Redeye. See ya.